Hi guys, so I'm here today to do a beauty look for you guys for the summertime. It's a peach look with a little bit of shimmer, so it's a nice to wear with a dress up look to go out, or it's nice to look casual just for an everyday look because it's so neutral kind of, and it's a more laid back kind of soft look for the summer. I'm gonna show you how to get this look step by step, and into the video we go. So we're gonna start with the Farsali Unicorn Essence Makeup Primer. Then we're gonna go in with the Covergirl Outlast All Day Stay Fabulous 3-in-1 Foundation. I'm going to use a beauty blender to blend it all out. Then I'm going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and we're going to put this under the eyes, in the T-zone, and in any areas where you have blemishes. Now I'm going to go in with a big fluffy brush and take the CoverGirl Clean Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 525 Buff Beige, and we're going to put this all over the face to set the foundation and the concealer. Now we're going to take the Hoola Benefit Bronzer and put it in the contours of our cheeks and around our forehead and around the jaw. I just like to go back in with my foundation brush and just blend everything out so it all is smooth together. Now we're going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Kit in Radiant, and we're going to take the two side colors here that are more peachy toned. These are called Coastline and Terrace. We're just going to mix them together and put them on the apples of our cheeks. And again, I just like to take the big fluffy brush and blend this all in so it's not so harsh. Now we're going to go in with highlight using the Becca Champagne Pop on a Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 brush. We're just going to put this on the high points of our cheeks. On our nose, on the bridge of our nose, a little bit on the forehead, and Cupid's bow. And now we're going to prime our lids with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, the Original. Now we're just going to blend that out. Now we're going to go in with the Just Peachy Matte by Too Faced eyeshadow palette. And we're going to take this corner color here. This is called Peaches and Cream, and we're gonna dust this all over the lid. You're gonna really focus it in the crease, just to darken it up. This is going to set the eyeshadow primer to make the eyeshadows blend easier. Now after this is done and you have a good amount of color on your lids and in your crease, you're going to take Fresh Picked from the same palette, and you're going to focus this more on the crease. Now we're going to take Just Peachy, which is right above Freshly Picked, and we're going to keep this to make it a little bit lighter and more peachier just on the top of this color, just to make sure it all blends nice and evenly. This palette smells so good. Alright, now we're going to take Peach Cobbler from the same palette, and we're going to keep this more on the outer corner, just to darken it up. So we cut out a little bit, but we are gonna take the Sweet Peach palette by Too Faced, and we're gonna take the color Puree in the middle here, and we're gonna put that all over the center of the lid. It's a pink color with gold reflex, and it just gives a nice shimmer to the eyelid instead of something that's glam and out there, since this is a very summery and soft look. After that, I just curled my lashes and took the Voluminous Lash Paradise Mystic Black by L'Oreal and coated my top lashes and my bottom lashes. Lastly, to finish off, I took the Revlon Color Burst Lip Butter in the color Peach Parfait 025 and put this all over my lips. It gives a nice tint to the lips, and the peachy color plays in with the eyes, and it feels almost like a moisturizer for your lips. So this is the finished look. It's just a nice peach summery look, and I did it step by step so you guys can follow along and see.